Sepio Products is a global leader in tamper-evident security seals, offering high-security plastic, RFID, and IoT-enabled solutions. We combine robust physical protection with cutting-edge digital technology. Founded in 2016 and based in Mumbai, we bring deep industry expertise, strong manufacturing capabilities, advanced automation, and a commitment to high-quality products. With over 5,000 happy clients, Sepio stands out for its IoT expertise, innovation-led R&D, and in-house design studio with a dedicated quality lab. Explore our wide range of solutions. Anchor seals, ideal for electric, gas, and water meters. Strap seals, used in transport and logistics, postal services, and ATM cassettes. RFID E-Seals, perfect for containers, trucks, customs clearance, and railway wagons. Bolt seals, trusted in shipping, railway, and customs applications. Twist seals, suitable for electric meters, chemical transport, and oil and gas sectors. Padlock seals, securing logistics, warehousing, courier deliveries, and aviation. Smart Lock, providing you with advanced security and real-time traceability for logistics, transportation, and railways. Featuring patented high-security QR codes with hidden digital marks that are extremely difficult to duplicate, enabling authenticity and traceability. Can be applied to any seal and used across multiple industries to enhance security. Want to enhance your supply chain security? Let's connect. Sepio is just a call away.